Akuapem Polo in situation. They are not the one talk some, but the truth be saying, sentence Akuapem Polo no be there. Money. If you guys want sentence somebody, you wanna go sentence number one. Number one, a chingana fuedi. Forget the guilty or not guilty. Number one, a chingana fuedi. You be number one, go arrest them. If number one still they walk around in Ghana, the one shows say when I get some child abuse support system, we actually they protect kids. Wanna go protect CFS, wanna go catch number one. Because there are so many kids that parents actually go invest in immense good way or might break your heart. Number one sport plenty homes. Plenty homes number one sport. Why wanna no go catch number one? Secondly, Akuapem Polo, the picture where she upload, it wasn't violence. She no beat nobody. He be naked alright, but she no beat nobody. It's not a violent crime for you to actually sentence the girl. One man a fine be known to non condemn you have na better Ghana for more drain and more law. And I'm more system here, more law change America for. On prison better. Ghana most our prison system with me. Money be. All sentencing and all show ne kwa dig in the kuno. None the banner so one the kwa the banner. And I better sentence again because we upload the picture. Picture no kwa mbi ni twim. Picture we mbi ni twim. Masha picture no picture we mbi ni twim. So why wanna for sentence some 3 years for posting? Aden akwala no chima akwala no money ne chima akwala no. Money ne chima akwala no. Or maybe some chop money soon film. So the Ghana system, that human right whatever. You guys have every right to do your job, but you guys are just trying to set an example out of Akuapem Polo, maybe because she's loud on the internet, or maybe when I know they like how she doing things. Ejuma Ghana Akuapem Polo come is internet to me. Ejuma di Ghana is not young by force actress. The one survive. The girl is surviving. Free Akuapem Polo. It's not right. If you guys say freedom and justice, there's freedom to post and do your thing. The post, she didn't threaten nobody. If she, but man, she cautious Snapchat and confirm one day I did a warm kim. That was Snapchat. Cram pony and cut your moon too. Ah, only Ghana guess on the baby warm kim. No, be a caco upload the friends on any back photo shoot or more. On that dream, when you say clear, why are papa? We're gonna stop that things. We're gonna live prison life the years. Bye bye.
Adwenepahene oka supre kwamra for why ko bibire plan before oka burumu odi putupuye buruburu ma mansan wo foto ntibidie. I like it.